In this video, I will show you how I was able to convert this Midjourney art into an actual animated character. Make sure to keep watching till the end of this video to don't miss any information. By using Midjourney AI, I was actually able to create this image of a war child, and using the D-iD software, I was able to make it an animated character. And I will show you now exactly how I did this. So if you go to midjourney.com, you can sign up for the Discord server, and you click on here on one of the newbies room, and you can type in imagine, and it comes up with a prompt. You can type in, for example, sad boy looking down, portrait war child, and dash version 4, for example. And now the Midjourney AI is actually starting to create our portrait. And after it is finished, we are actually able to upload this image to the D-iD software, and we can use our own audio or a text-to-speech AI to let the character come alive, and so it can actually speak. You can use this for your advertising or just a fun animation. So yeah, here you see the Midjourney is actually creating this images for us. And one problem with this is that the boy isn't looking straight into the camera, which is the most optimal for the D-iD software. So what we have to do is make another prompt. Imagine sad boy looking straight into the camera, war child, highly detailed, adjust some other parameters, and dash version 4. And let's add portrait to it. So the software actually is optimized for normal human face. So if you want to do a character or a strange alien looking face, you could have some problems with actually animating it. So just to start off easy, I'm just going to show you with a simple human like face, because this actually works the best for us. So you see it comes up with this kind of pictures, which are pretty good. So let's upscale the fourth one. So we just click on U4, so it will upscale the fourth picture. Alright, so the Midjourney bot is actually finished now. You see it has upscaled the fourth image for us. So here it is. It's actually a pretty good image, I think. So you can click on open in browser, click save, and then you can go to the D-iD software, and if you just click login and you make an account, it's very simple and it's free in the trial version. You can just click on create video, add your picture, just select the picture we've just made, and so we wait till it's uploaded. Yeah, so it's uploaded, and then you can type in some text here which the character is actually saying. So you can do something like hello, my name is John, I'm a sad kid. Make sure that the text is not too long, because for every characters you need some extra credits, and in the trial version the amount of credits is limited. So you see here I have only 18 credits left, so I just keep the text very short now. So yeah, you can listen to it.
Hello, my name is John. I'm a sad kid.
Alright, so here it's a female voice. We can change it to, for example, a male voice. You can actually change the style. So because it's a sad child, we just make it a little bit sad.
Hello, my name is John. I'm a sad kid.
Alright, so that sounds pretty good. So yeah, then we go to generate video. And you see it cost us 1 credit. We have 18 credits left. And then in like 5 seconds, our own character has come alive.
Hello, my name is John. I'm a sad kid.
So you see it's actually looking pretty good. I also did some other examples, which you can see here. In this video, I will show you how I was able to convert this Midjourney art into an actual animated character. Make sure to keep watching till the end of this video to don't miss any information. So yeah, that was actually my intro for this video, and for this I used my own voice, and you could also do that yourself. Instead of typing your script, you just upload your voice audio file, and then it will automatically use this for your animated character. So yeah, you can try all kinds of stuff with this. So for example, you can use this for an advertisement or something else. So yeah, let me know in the comments what do you think you can use this for, and let me know what kind of characters you made alive, and yeah, make sure to subscribe for more. See you in the next one.